Welcome. It's Science for Real back again. Let's see what surprises we have today. You all must be pretty familiar with the term virus, right? Most of the time. When we hear virus, people immediately think of illness. The flu. Or the dreaded COVID-19 that once caused severe impacts in every aspect of life. But, in fact, not all viruses are as bad as you might think. In reality, the virome, the collection of viruses in our bodies, actually helps us maintain our health by controlling harmful bacteria that could cause damage to the body. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today, let's dive deeper into this with Science for Real. First, let's talk a bit about the virome. The virome is an ecosystem of viruses living inside our bodies. They exist in our gut, skin, and even our respiratory system. They're everywhere. Each person has their own unique virome ecosystem. As unique as a fingerprint. Can you imagine our body being like a world where various civilizations of viruses exist and develop? Fascinating, isn't it? Most of the viruses in the virome are bacteriophages. They're like the ultimate bacteria hunters. Take, for example, the lambda phage, a virus that specifically targets Escherichia coli, or more commonly known as E. coli, by keeping the population of bacteria like E. coli in check. Lambda phages play an important role in maintaining the balance of our body's microbiome. They help prevent harmful bacteria from overgrowing, thus keeping our bodies healthier. However, not all viruses in the virome are heroes, guys. Some viruses actually complicate things by turning harmless bacteria into dangerous enemies. A prime example of these troublemakers is the CTX5 bacteriophage. This virus can invade Vibrio cholerae, a bacterium that normally just peacefully exists in aquatic environments. But once CTX5 attacks, Vibrio cholerae becomes extremely dangerous, as it starts producing the toxin that causes cholera, a deadly diarrheal disease that has caused numerous historical disasters. It's truly remarkable how unpredictable the power of viruses can be. Right? Here's another fascinating example showing how viruses can weaponize bacteria. Some bacteriophages have the ability to turn common bacteria in our bodies into something super dangerous. A notable case is Staphylococcus aureus, a fairly common bacterium found on our skin. Normally, it's harmless and doesn't cause any problems. But when it gets infected by viruses carrying harmful genes, Staphylococcus aureus becomes a formidable enemy, capable of causing severe infections. Before antibiotics were invented, bacteria like these were responsible for numerous deadly diseases that medicine couldn't fight against. But not all viruses are evil and terrible like that, guys. In fact, there's a group of viruses that can actually help us fight cancer. Have you ever heard of oncolytic viruses? These viruses are considered a secret weapon that scientists are studying for cancer treatment. When they enter cancer cells, they don't just attack and destroy them. They also stimulate the body's immune system to respond more aggressively, helping it fight tumors more effectively. This is truly a promising field in modern medicine. And who knows, one day in the future, oncolytic viruses might become the main weapon in the fight against cancer. So we've just stepped into a tiny yet incredibly powerful world, the virome. An ecosystem of viruses quietly at work inside our bodies every single day. From viruses that protect us by destroying harmful bacteria, to those that can turn into dangerous threats, and even warrior viruses that have the potential to fight cancer. Amazing, right? This also shows us that our bodies are truly like miniature universes, where even the tiniest beings, like viruses, have their own distinct and incredibly important roles. The virome opens up a whole new perspective on the relationship between humans and viruses. Not all viruses are bad. They aren't simply enemies of our health. But sometimes, They are powerful allies protecting and supporting us. Who knows? In the near future, new research on the virome might help us discover new treatments for dangerous diseases and even change the way we view health and illness. What do you think about the virome? Anything that surprised you? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to learn more about the human body, medicine, or the microorganisms around us, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more exciting videos from Science for Real. Thanks for watching the whole video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for the latest updates. See you all in the next video.